Welcome back to the channel, y'all. This weekend we're in the Everglades. I'm so excited for this weekend. I say that every episode, but this weekend I'm just super excited. Got a lot of fun things planned for this weekend. We're gonna be camping, we're cooking, meeting up with a couple of my good friends, and we're about to be going on a swamp buggy tour. I'm so excited to cross this off my bucket list. Let's go. I'm here with Kelly and Cody. Y'all probably already know them. They have a YouTube channel as well. They live in this truck camper and they're from Arkansas too. We did a video together like 3 years ago. Super excited to hang out with you guys and do this swamp buggy tour. Yeah. It's Donald! We're about to be on one of them. Here's our whip.
How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Everyone meet our tour guide, Mr. Bobby. He beat throat cancer some years back and now runs C&G Big Cypress Swamp Buggy Tours.
Oh, y'all two are a hoot.
She's walked so many trails, Bobby. You can't get a boyfriend with a car?
Tell us a little bit about this swamp buggy.
All right, this one right here is a 1983 Chevrolet truck with the original motor.
And it's still running.
Sometimes.
Oh,
Sometimes. You got nothing to worry about it. This is a gentleman's buggy.
okay.
Ladies push first.
Gotcha. I like it. I agree to this.
Okay.
I agree to this.
This is the inside of our ride. Wow, we're so high up. This is cool. So first we're gonna ride down this road and look at a bunch of gators.
2 inch. A 2-man kayak.
Gators can be measured in size from the tip of their nose to their eyes, and every inch equals a foot, how long they actually are. So if it's 5 inches, then they're like 5 feet long. This is so fun to drive through instead of hike through. Now this water is crystal clear because it's all rainwater, filtered by the cypress. Real pretty. Look at that beautiful clear water.
Of all the places out here, I like this better than any place.
Oh my stars, we have just entered a different planet. This is cool. I love this spot.
Go on, so looking at you there. I walked up in there from here. From here to the back of the buggy.
Look how clear this water is. I gotta get in.
I couldn't come to the swamp and not get my feet wet, so.
Here she goes.
Take a shoe. Good.
Kelly's got her tripod set up. It's like we got models here or something, Bob.
Woo! I wondered how all these roads got out here. Like, who came out here and did all this?
Logging roads.
Okay.
This one here actually had a train on it. Hundreds of roads all out here.
How old are these roads, you think?
Probably most of them were put in the 20s.
The 20s, okay. You got water running through here.
So animals would typically follow that path of water because, yeah.
All sorts of game trails throughout here that you can see. Mr. Bobby saw a panther the other day out here.
You know what the ibis is called by the local people? Chokoloski chickens.
That's the great white egret. Green heron. Bobby is letting me drive the swamp buggy. Do you trust me, Bobby?
Do you really want me to? find the gas pedal?
Yep, that's the gas, and then this one's the brake.
Now, you don't change feet. That's for your brake. That's your brake foot. Push down on the throttle where you're gonna.
Here we go.
This is so cool! It feels awesome! I'll drop your budget for you. Thank you. I love my life.
If you don't enjoy your life, what the hell you got?
That's right. Woo! Now we're going. Yeah, baby. I feel like a wild Florida woman. Yeah, Kelly. Bye, Cody. See you later. Kelly was grinning. She just kind of kept going. That's crazy. That's a really deep pond.
Sometimes when they get full of
This right here is one of my favorite parts of
I hardly
Florida.
know any of the songbirds down
So
down
beautiful.
there.
The saw palmettos,
we
the
have a lot
pine
of
trees.
parks.
Ah, love
So
it.
that's at her parents' house. I guess that's the way I know it, just because I see it all the time.
Yeah, it's
So glad that I wore my fuckers.
yeah, that was a good call.
Any place they get their little roots in, they can stick.
You can go pull on that.
So we got down, walked a little bit. There's a really deep kind of canal pond here. There are a bunch of gators. Check out that moon. That's crazy. Look at all those cardinal plants. Wow.
So they'll take root on like any branch, but toward Monroe.
Where are we going, Bobby? Somebody live here?
Yeah, me and you fixing to live here.
Oh my gosh.
What are we doing?
Come on.
Feels like a scene out of Pet Cemetery.
Look at here. Come here. Come here. Don't make no noise.
Did you plant him there?
No, I came up here to take a pee, and I got right there. Oh, there he goes.
Bobby is showing us this old homestead back here.
Put your hand up under that.
Tastes like metal. All right, we're headed back. Mr. Donald's got to get to work at the camp store. Sun is starting to set.
Saw the skunk ape back there, and I don't know, he must have been having a bad day or something. He wasn't very happy to see us.
Yeah!
You done good.
Thanks, Bobby.
It takes sometimes.
I know.
All right, y'all. That was an awesome swamp buggy tour. That was everything I wanted it to be and more. But now I'm about to head to the campground. I'm staying at Monument Lake Campground. I go set up my tent, and Kelly and I are gonna cook tonight. I brought my Dutch oven. I'm in charge of dessert. Head over there, get camp set up, and get something to eat because I'm hungry. setting up my big Agnes today. Haven't used this tent in a long time. This is a really, really, really pretty campground. This is what I'm camped right next to. You see the gator. He's swimming off into the sunset. Wow, that water's really clear. Look at the fish. I can see the moon. She's shining bright tonight. Ellie is cooking. She's making taco soup. So we're gonna have taco soup for dinner. And then I am in charge of dessert. So I brought my cast iron Dutch oven and I'm gonna make brownies in that. I don't know how it's gonna turn out because I've never done it before. And I also brought my ice cream ball and we're gonna make ice cream in this ball. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna get started on all that. Gotta get some coals going. Last night I washed my cast iron Dutch oven. I re-seasoned it in my oven. So it is so fresh, ready to go. Ready to make the best brownies ever. Oh yeah. Do y'all ever miss living in a tent? No, not living in a tent. But the living... Look at this. Ah! I can't get over it. It's so nice. I got the fire built. I'm gonna let some coals start coaling, and then I'll start putting my batter together. I guess I can put my batter together now while they're still light. We're gonna add in the sugar to our melted butter. That is so much sugar. I don't know about it, y'all. Got this recipe on the internet. Look at the sunset. We have a whole operation over here. Look at this. And we're saucing. All right, we are mixing the butter and sugar with the dry ingredients, and now I'm gonna add the eggs. One in there specifically. With one hand, y'all saw it. Okay, now it's turning into brownie batter, I think. Brownie batter.
It looks like a powdered ice cream.
It looks like something. Time shall tell. And then I'm gonna put my batter in there, and then it should be ready to cook. This is not gonna work out.
It will. Have full
I don't
faith.
think so. It's too thick.
It's all good.
Okay. Did you put
The brownies not turning out great. It tastes okay, but it looks like a load of turd. But yeah, we're gonna try it. I'm gonna put it on the fire and see if I can get it to do anything. Sometimes the random recipes I find online work, sometimes they don't. Cody is trying to save my brownies. He might pass out. I don't know. Are they burned? There's a whole fire on top. I think I need to check them.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I don't think you need to check them.
No? Did you time it? Or you got a timer going?
No.
So I probably...
All right, we're gonna check my brownies. I don't know what's going on with these brownies, but we are gonna have some really good taco soup, so that's good. All right, we're checking my... What just happened? It looks burned.
It's done.
I think it's burned.
Maybe a hair. But there we go.
Cody was the one who said to keep it 5 more minutes. Cut into it. Yeah, oh no, that's good.
Oh, that's going to be perfect.
Look how easy that's cutting.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, leave it
moving.
moving.
We're gonna leave it.
Cody put my cow patty brownie, that's what we're calling it. It's cooling in their truck camper. This is Kelly's little cook station here. Go, that soup looks good.
I think it's ready.
Oh my gosh.
Dude.
Let's go.
And that is how it's supposed to be done.
We got a fire. We're gonna sit and eat our taco soup.
No, it's a lot more comfortable. Go for it.
Y'all, this soup's amazing. Thank you, Kelly.
You're welcome. Anytime.
So good.
And then I'll get a shot of us eating.
We are gonna make ice cream with this ball. So the first thing we're gonna do is add some ice. So now we're gonna add some ice cream salt. How much? That looks good. Close that up. We're in this side. Some heavy whipping cream, some sugar, and some vanilla extract. Okay, 1 quart of cream. So we're gonna add the whipping cream. We have exactly 3/4 cup. Perfect. All right, sugar in the bowl. We're gonna add some vanilla extract, which I'm just going to eyeball.
Oh yeah, I'll always eyeball vanilla.
Yeah,
The more the better.
Yeah.
Can't have too much vanilla.
What do y'all think? That's good right there. Perfect. Boom. Now it's ready. And to make the ice cream, now we have to throw this ball around for the next 15 minutes. And then it becomes ice cream. Oh, that's heavy. It's so heavy you can like barely pick it though. No.
What, me?
You better get in. Yeah. You got sand. Everybody got time.
That really hurt my foot, by the way. That's some of Kelly's basketball skills.
Okay, it's, you know,
That
look at
looks like
that. That's ice cream.
That's ice cream right there.
The ice cream looks gorgeous.
Oh, yeah.
That's pretty. We got our brownies that I made that got a little burnt on the top.
Oh, that's gonna be good.
Okay.
Kelly Hayes, you really outdid yourself.
We love ice cream.
Dude. I'm about to try my ice cream.
We'll see y'all in the morning.
Got the brownie. Let me try the brownie with the ice cream. Okay, I like it. That actually is really good.
Dude, brownie.
It didn't look that good. I mean, the brownie could definitely be better, but with the ice cream, this is where I camped last night. Good morning. You would have thought it rained last night. Look how wet my tent is. Dripping. Not very surprised, seeing as I'm camping next to a big lake in South Florida where it's humid. It's about 7:30. I think I might go for a run. All right, just finished almost 5 miles. And Kelly made breakfast. I'm so excited. Holy cow. I love everything. Kelly's breakfast was amazing. Thank you so much, Kelly. We are gonna get ready to go on our next adventure out here. Let's go. We're back at the Skunk Ape headquarters with Mr. Donald.
How come I laugh every time I see you?
Today we are going to canoe the Turner River. We're at the Turner River Canoe Access. We rented our kayaks through the Skunk Ape headquarters, or like the Trail Lakes campground. And yeah, super stoked to get on this water and see what we can see. Right off the rip, we gotta go under this bridge. The water's really high today. It is just so pretty today. Perfect day to go kayaking. here's our gator. Oh, he's facing right towards me. First gator of the trip, and you're going right towards him, Cody.
Yeah.
Ooh, he's creepy. We got two guys right there, and we got a gator over there, and a couple more turtles. I'm floating right to him. There are gators everywhere. That right there is a mama gator. Their babies are around there somewhere, but I don't know where they are. Is this fresh water, Donald?
Yeah.
Yeah, it still tastes pretty fresh. Sorry, Cody. So we're coming up here, and I think we're gonna hit some mangroves. Wow. It's like a jungle. We've entered into a whole different world. I can't get over all the air plants. They're just so cool.
You know, just open water kayaking.
The paddle's just getting in the way. You don't even need a paddle through this section. You just pull yourself along. Ooh, sun. Yeah. We popped out at this pond in the middle of all these mangrove trails. I think we're gonna go ahead and take the second mangrove trail. The second tunnel is even lower and narrower than that one. Crazy.
I feel like that's exactly what
Dude, there's definitely a python somewhere in here.
Oh yeah. Found that this is the best technique.
Just stir the water in front of you.
As long as I had a really bright light. I'd be okay.
We are so deep in this mangrove tunnel. I don't know if we'll ever get out. We're stuck in here forever. Yeah. The sky has opened up once again.
You know what? I thought the same thing.
There ain't not much better. Sitting here, having a snack, floating. I love it. So somewhere here, the canal connects to all of this, and you can keep going pretty far. How far can you go on this, Donald?
I don't know. In theory, it's what it looks to me like on the map. That if you went up the canal, you would come in there at J.P. Williams Park, right where Turner River Road went up, where we went up yesterday to meet Bobby.
Oh yeah,
I
that
think
canal.
that's the canal, and then the Turner River is where we put in.
Yeah. Oh, that'd be kind of cool. We're almost back. Oh, Mr. Donald, that was fun.
Yeah.
Thank you for inviting us.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah, had a blast. I'm starving after that kayak trip, so we're gonna go to the locals' favorite, Joni's Blue Crab Cafe.
I think this is the place I wanted to eat at when we drove by.
Oh, was it?
Yeah. Yes.
And that soft shell goes to Don. Okay. And this is the basket for your. They're the large.
These friends and I paddled down the Turner River today.
All right, Donald and I are at the marathon up the road where he likes to get his stone crab. So I'm gonna see if there's some stone crab that I can take home. I see the sign on the door. $42 for 3 pounds, all right. Oh boy, there they are. Heck yeah. Well, Donald, thank you for an awesome weekend.
Welcome.
We had fun doing the swamp buggy, kayaking, and
New friends. Can we close this off
Yes,
now?
goodbye.
Goodbye.